Hello, this is the first presentation of the video of what and enjoy the 3, 2, 1, now.
Halo everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga kabar kalian di sana baik-baik saja, sehat selalu dan dimurahkan rezekinya. Kali ini saya akan membuat tutorial makeupnya itu simple aja. Dan ini juga saya sebenarnya bingung ya membuat temanya apa atau membuat judulnya apa. Mungkin kalian kalau ada saran atau menurut kalian ini apa judulnya ya, tolong di komen di komentar ya. Dan jangan lupa untuk selalu dukung terus channel YouTube saya dengan cara di like, di komen, and di subscribe. Dan jangan lupa untuk hidupkan notifikasi loncengnya biar kalian tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video terbaru dari saya. Daripada kalian nunggu lama, maka langsung saja kita lihat ke tutorialnya.
You look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Oke, everyone, sampai di sini tutorial makeup dari saya. Inilah hasil akhirnya. Gimana menurut kalian? Apakah kalian suka? Jangan lupa untuk selalu dukung channel YouTube saya dengan cara di like, di komen, and di subscribe. Dan ingat, jangan lupa hidupkan notifikasi loncengnya biar kalian tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video terbaru dari saya. Oke, see you next time video. Bye.
Taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't